How to create a digital planner to sell on Etsy full guide. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing how you can create a digital planner for yourself and sell it on Etsy and make good money off of it. I'm going to be going through all the basics and features and tutorial on how you can create yourself a digital planner. Then I'm going to sign you up with Etsy, and I'm going to tell you how to create an Etsy store and how you're going to sell it on your Etsy store. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end, because if you do that properly, then I guarantee you that you're gonna properly know how to create a digital planner and sell it on Etsy and make money for yourself. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's go ahead and discuss Etsy. If you don't know what Etsy is basically a shop for handmade, vintage, custom, and unique gifts that you can get for yourself or for someone else, or basically something like that. So it's a UK-based shop, and basically it's a global online marketplace. It works great, and as you can see, if we go in Etsy.com, we can see, welcome back. You have all these different things, like you have digital planners. Let's go on their main homepage. If you go there, you can see we have jewelries and accessories, clothing and shoes, home and living, wedding and parties, toys and entertainment, arts and collectibles, craft supplies and tools, and much more. So we have all these different things that come with the Etsy planners. And if we go here, let's go ahead and write digital planner. So as you can see, you can also get digital prints for your walls if you like, but we're here to search digital planner. Now, if you go on digital planner, look at that. You have tons and tons of digital planners over here, like this one, this one, this one. You have all these different things, and look at the price they go off for. They go off for $14, $12, $13, $12, and much, much more. And people actually buy these. Like, look at this seller. This seller sells this digital planner for $14, and he has or she has over 13,520 sales. And that's crazy. Like, if you multiply this cost by this cost, like that's like a lot of money. So you can make a lot of money by selling your digital planners on Etsy. And I'm going to teach you how to make a good one, an attractive one that can easily be sold on Etsy. So without further ado, let's get straight into that. For that, we're going to be using Canva. Now, if you don't know what Canva is the best graphic designing platform that you can find online. It's totally free and it works wonders. It works amazing. You can do anything on Canva. You have the whole freedom creating anything from letters to post-its to Instagram posts to social media posts to cards. Whatever you like, you can create it on Canva. So if we get into the canva.com website, here you can see you have this whole interface. If you're not familiar with the Canva interface, you can just check any tutorial because it just works amazingly. And as you can see over here, you can search your content on Canvas and stuff like that. So what we're going to do over here is you can either write planner. And if you write planner, look at that, you're going to get this planner thing. So if we click on it, you're going to come here and you're going to see all these different planner templates that you can work around with. Now, obviously, these are pre-built templates that Canva already provides you with. So you can either go with this, or if you're like, you have a very creative mind and you're not satisfied with the product until or unless you've done it all yourself, then you can just go ahead and click on create a blank planner. So I'm going to show you how to create it from scratch, from blank, as well as from how you can create it from, these built templates that you have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a template. Now, do make sure that, because Canva has different plans and pricings, like the free plan, the pro plan, and the teams plan. Now, in the pro plan or the teams plan, you can get a few of these, like, these things say pro, so you can get these. But if you're on the free plan, you cannot get these. You can only get the ones with no, signature at the bottom right. So what we're going to do is obviously we're going to go with some free template. Let's go with this one. This one looks pretty neat, pretty decent. And I'm going to click on customize this template. And once I click on that, I'll be redirected to this page, which is their main canvas page. And over here, I'm going to start working on my canvas. Now, let's go ahead and start it off. Like basically, this is an already made planner. But let's say you want to make some changes, like you want to change it from a weekly planner to, let's say, a daily planner. You can just go over the text, click on, double click on it, and then you will be able to edit it. So look at that, it's now a daily planner. And then obviously make the corresponding changes, like change everywhere it says weekly to daily. So I'm gonna go there. Here we write daily priorities. Then obviously you can change the things, like you can change it from appointment to schedule, and you can change reminder to let's say activities or tasks or something like that. Like you can put that in, and yeah, just keep on changing more. You can also change the background color. Like let's if you were to click on the background over here, look at this, you will be redirected to this colors thing over here, and you can just mess around with the background. Like look at that, you can change the color as much as you want to. You can make it blue, purple, this, like whatever you want. You have the full freedom. So let's say I want a yellow touch to it, like a mustard yellow touch. So I like this. I like this look. Then you can also change this peach color and stuff like that. You can change the font by clicking over the text. There you go in font, and obviously look at that, you can change fonts and stuff like that. And once you're done with your planner, you like what you've done, all you're going to do is you're going to come in the top right, click on share. Once you click on share, you're going to click on download over here, go on file type, and once you're on file type, all you're going to need to do is you're going to find the type you want to download it in. Preferably the best design for planner is a PDF standard, so just download it, and it's just going to take like a few seconds, and there we go, it has been downloaded. And if you click on check on it, look at that, look at how great that looks. So yeah, that is how you make it from like a template. But if you want to make it completely from scratch, you can take inspiration from like the templates or like digital planners on Etsy. Like if you were to go on Etsy.com, I'm not entirely saying copy their design, but you can take inspiration from it. Like there's no crime in taking inspiration. So you can take inspirations from these, and then obviously you can start creating them using your elements. Like you can make borders by putting in lines. Like if I were to bring this over here or bring this over here, you can make lines, make sections to your design. Like I'm gonna turn this to a 90-degree. There we go. And you can just pull this up here, pull this down here. There we go, you have made sections. Then you can change your background color if you want to. Here we go, again a yellow. Then you can start adding text to your sections, and once you're done with all of that, again just click on share, download, and there you go, there you have your digital planner. And then finally, then just come here, sign in with or sign up with an Etsy account. Then you're gonna have your store, so you're gonna go on your shop manager, and once you're over there, you're gonna start adding your products, and then keep a decent price, put in the ships and costings and stuff like that. And once you've done all that, you are set to go, and you have made your digital planner for Etsy. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.